news now. It's not looking too bad in the region. Still an ongoing problem on the A42 northbound near Ashford and Boot, which is having a knock-on effect on the M42. In fact, it's traffic queuing back until junction 11, which is the Burton turn-off. I'll look at the weather today. Cloudy and feeling rather cold with strengthening southeasterly winds. It will be dry at first, but then outbreaks of rain will spread in from the west during the afternoon. A top temperature of 7 Celsius, that's 45 Fahrenheit. That's it from us. I'll be back at lunchtime. Bye for now.
Welcome back. It's a tradition in the film